you?
Yeah.
Pointed up at me? I wish I could fall asleep like this while getting tattooed. No shit.
That doesn't wake up and fucking Joel.